Stop Snoring the Easy Way by Dr. Mike Dilkes and Alexander Adams. Read by Dr. Mike Dilkes. Introduction. Much like drinking, smoking, and junk food, snoring is a voluntary habit. You may not have consciously chosen to start, but you can certainly make the choice to stop. Unlike the host of other voluntary habits and vices, research into the real effects of snoring on general well-being is virtually non-existent or not presented in a way that instigates discussion. Tales of friends and family shaking the rafters at night is a common narrative, and one that should prompt a deeper investigation into the associated health risks. Yet there seems to be little motivation to stop snoring, other than social factors. The conversations that buck this trend are flooded with overly complicated medical terminology, cause and effect jargon completely inaccessible to the general community of sufferers. The reality is that as a population, we are blissfully unaware of the real dangers of snoring and the consuming effect it has on every aspect of one's life. This book presents a study into snoring, a targeted summary of the threats to one's well-being, and a simple daily exercise routine to stop snoring altogether. We follow a model which argues a person is only motivated to stop a voluntary habit if they 1. Have a usable understanding of their condition, 2. Understand how this affects them and their life, and 3. Have easy-to-follow action points which yield great results quickly. In chapters 1 to 3, we discuss the anatomical evolutions that set the stage for the snoring epidemic and investigate the differing levels of its clinical severity. We also introduce a key theme of the book, that snoring prevents our natural phases of sleep and the essential sleep cycles. Chapters 4 to 7 answer the question, how does this affect me? Based on an understanding of which factors are most important to me. We analyze the real effects of snoring on your professional success, relationships, sex life, health, fitness, and finally on your vanity goals. In Chapter 8, we outline an easy-to-implement 5-minute routine to life hack yourself back into deep, restful sleep at night and into a healthy, energetic, and happy life every day. Chapter 1. The Real Dangers of Snoring. The answer to the question, what is the problem with snoring, will almost always relate at least...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?